In this video, I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial, but instead of using paint, I'll be using all makeup products. These are the colors that I came up with. I'll be using liquid lipstick and cream SFX makeup. What I'm actually going to use to start off is a makeup primer spray. I'm going to spray it all over the board, get it nice and wet, and then I believe that these cream colors and the liquid lipstick are going to glide on a lot easier, hoping. Okay, patting, 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 tap, 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 tap. Wow, I think the primer actually worked really well. Imagine going as fast as him. This is so fun. Yellow green. So for me to clean this brush, I'm gonna be using a makeup remover spray here for brushes. So I'm just gonna spray my brush and then wipe it onto a tissue paper here.
Just beat the devil out of it.
I'm gonna spray more spray just so it'll blend better together. Oh, he goes so fast. We're gonna go into the white and the bright red.
Happy little clouds that just sort of float right around in the sky and have fun. Fluffs the cloud.
A little fluffing motion.
Just fluffs it right up, like so.
Wow, that's really cool.
Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, this is fantastic.
You have to make an almighty decision. Where's your mountain?
I don't want to make a decision.
I think he's gonna live.
Okay, that's not half bad actually. I thought that was gonna be a lot worse. It's really difficult just when I'm using this spatula. I'm liking this better that it's blending. I think it's looking pretty good now. So now we're gonna go on to the little footy hills.
Use a fan brush, load it full of paint, a lot of paint.
I do have a fan makeup brush as well, so I'm gonna use that. And again, I'll just spray it so it gets a little bit moist. So far, so good though. Oh my gosh.
Really hope you've enjoyed this, and I thank you.
A little swoop. There we go. Yay! I am so happy with how that turned out. I had a really fun time doing that. A little bit of struggling, but overall, I think it looks really great, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. I feel like I just keep going. I need to fix this. This does not look blended. Attach the footies. There we go. I like it, I like it, I like it. So that is it, guys. There is my painting all completed following a Bob Ross tutorial using all makeup products, makeup brushes, setting spray, lipstick, cream, face paint. There's one last thing I want to do. I want to set the painting with Urban Decay All Nighter because it wouldn't be complete if I didn't do that. Honestly, this will probably last forever. There we go. Like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment about this or about anything. I'm always checking those. And you can also subscribe. I try to post new videos every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.